Hello friends, welcome back to the Python programming session. In the earlier session, we had seen the indexing and slicing of data frame in Pandas. And today, let's move on to sorting columns in data frames in Pandas. So friends, in this session, let's see how we can sort columns of a data frame in Pandas. So we can do sorting based on one column or based on multiple columns. So we can sort the data frame by one or more columns. We can sort the data in the column either in the ascending order or in the descending order. If we give ascending equal to true, then the data will be sorted in the ascending order. If we give ascending equal to false, then the data will be sorted in the descending order. And we all know that a data frame has got row labels, that is the default row labels which start from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So we can sort the row labels by using sort index, and we can also sort the column labels by using the sort index. And we can sort the data frame in place by using in place set to true. So this is just a heads up. Let's look into the code examples for each of these. Initially, let me say import pandas as pd, and then let me say output equal to pd dot read excel. I'm reading an excel sheet, and I'm specifying the path where it is located. It is present in d colon slash employee dot xlsx. So it's an excel sheet basically. And now let me create a data frame out of this excel sheet. So df equal to pd dot data frame, where d and f are in capitals, and I'm passing the output. So print df. So now when I run the code, I get the following output. So this is the values which are stored in employee.xlsx. So we have got these particular data displayed on the console. The first column is employee name, second is age, year of joining, salary, and 0, 1, 2, 3 is nothing but the row index values. So employee name, age, year of joining, salary are the column labels, that is in blue color. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 are the row index values, and the color in green represents the data. So we have got this particular output on our console. Now let's perform sorting. To sort a single column by employee name in ascending order. So I want to sort my data frame based on the employee name in ascending order. So how can I go about it? So for this I have to specify df, our data frame, dot sort values, sort underscore values. This is the function which I am using, sort underscore values by what column you, which column you want to sort. So that should go for the by parameter. I want to sort it by emp underscore name. So emp underscore name, and I want to sort it in ascending order. So by default it will take ascending order. So or we can explicitly mention ascending equal to true. So it will sort it in the ascending order. Now when I run the code, initially it was Ram, Sham, Sam. Now it has sorted by the employee name in the ascending order. Dia comes first because D comes first, then G, K, M, R, S. So it has sorted the data frame by ascending order of the employee name. one more thing what we have to remember is when I give df.sort values by employee name ascending order, this is just a view object. Our initial data frame itself does not get sorted. So when I give df and run the code, it will still have Ram as the first name because it won't get sorted. It's only the view object which is getting sorted. So the original data frame itself does not get sorted. So let me delete this. And now I want to sort my data frame by employee name in the descending order. For this I give my data frame df dot sort underscore values by employee name. You have to give it in quotes, employee name, comma, ascending equal to false, so that it will sort it in the descending order. So now when I run the code, the last one becomes the first item because it is in the descending order. So all S will be coming first and then R, M, K, G and then D. So it has sorted the data frame based on a single column called employee name by the descending order. And now, so we sorted the data frame by employee name in the ascending order and the same data frame by employee name in the descending order. Now let's see how we can sort multiple columns in ascending order. For this, let me sort year of joining and salary, both of them in the ascending order. So for this, my statement would be df dot sort val underscore values by equal to, we have, since it is multiple columns, we have to pass it in a list. So the firstly I want to sort it by year of joining and then by salary, and I want it in ascending, both should be in ascending order. So ascending is equal to true. So now when I run the code, sorry, it is df dot sort values. So all, it's on year of joining, so it will sort based on us in the ascending order. So 2000 year of joining comes first and then 2001 and then 2003. In this 2000 year of joining, it will sort the salary because I've given one more column salary also in ascending order. So within 2000, in the year of joining equal to 2000, it will sort the values in the ascending order. So 10,000 comes first, 15, 20, 25, 40. In 2001, 25,000 comes first, then 30, 35, 60,000. In 2003, 35,000, 40, 50 and again 50,000. So firstly it will sort YOJ, that is year of joining, in ascending order, and for each value of YOJ, that is for 2000, it will again sort the salary in ascending order. So this is how it does the sorting by multiple columns. So here both were in ascending order, that is YOJ and salary both were in ascending order. Now let's see both of them in descending order. For this I have to specify by equal to, in the list I have to pass year of joining, comma, salary, comma, ascending equal to false because we have to sort it in the descending order. So I have to make ascending equal to false. And now when I run the code, I get 2003 year of joining first because it is in the descending order. Within this 2003, I'm getting the highest salary first and then the lowest salary. And then again after 2003 it is 2001, and highest salary is 60,000, so it has sorted in the descending order. Again 2000, the highest salary is 40,000, next highest is 25, 20, 15, 10. So basically it has sorted both year of joining and salary in the descending order. Now I can make my year of joining to be sorted in ascending order and salary in descending order. So how to go about it? df.sort underscore values by equal to, in the list I'm passing YOJ year of joining, comma salary, and in this ascending for YOJ is true. So in the list again I have to pass it as true for YOJ year of joining and false for salary. So within the list I passing the values true or false. So ascending equal to true for YOJ, ascending equal to false for salary. So YOJ will be sorted on the ascending order and salary will be sorted in the descending order. Now when I run the code, okay, YOJ is in ascending order 2000, 2001, 2003. Within YOJ, the salary is in descending order. 40,000 comes first, 25, 20, 15, 10. So this is in the descending order. So for one particular YOJ in the ascending order, the salary will be sorted in the descending order. So this is how we can do the sorting of multiple columns in a data frame. So we saw with both YOJ and salary in ascending order, with both YOJ and salary in descending order, YOJ in ascending order and salary in descending order. So we saw all the three types. Now let's see how we can sort by index values. What are the index values? This 2, 11, 0, 5 are all the index values. So let's see how we can sort based on the index values. So initially let me take my output equal to df dot sort underscore values. I'm sorting based on the employee name, emp underscore name, and I'm sorting it in ascending order. So by default it will take ascending order. Now let me say, okay, now let me run the code, print output. So my index values are different. It's not starting with 0. It is 7394 because I have sorted my employee name. So index values has also got sorted based on that particular employee name. Now I want to sort it on the index values. I want to get 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So I want it in that particular order. So how do I go about it? For this I have to specify output, that is this particular output dot df underscore index, sorry, it's sort underscore index, sort underscore index. And now when I run the code, I get it based on the index values. So my output is sorted with 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Initially it was in a different way. When I gave sort underscore index, it sorted my row index values like 0, 1, 2, 3. Now I want to sort my column labels. What are the column labels? Employee name, age, YOJ and salary. I want to sort the by column labels. So for this I have to specify df dot sort underscore index axis is equal to 1. Axis is equal to 0 is for row labels. When I give axis is equal to 1, the column labels get sorted. So now when I run the code, age is for A. So A comes first, age comes first, then E, employee name, then S salary, and lastly YOJ. So it has sorted the column labels in ascending order. Now similarly I can make it as descending order. For this I have to pass ascending equal to false. So now when I run the code, YOJ comes first, salary, employee name, and then age. So when we want to sort column labels or row index values, then we go in for sort underscore index. So to sort the column labels, we have to use access is equal to 1. For row labels, access by default, it will take access is equal to 0 and sort the row labels. And finally, as we saw earlier, whenever we give, suppose, let me say df dot sort underscore values by equal to employee name. So when I do this, I get my sorted data frame based on the column employee name. Now when I print df, my original data frame, it will still be in the unsorted way. It won't get sorted. So how can I make my original data frame also to be sorted? For that, I have to specify in place equal to true. So now when I run this particular code and then when I print df, now when I run this particular code and print df, it will be in the sorted order based on employee name. Our original data frame also has been sorted. Not only this particular command, but our original data frame also gets sorted when we use in place is equal to true. So hope so friends, you were able to understand how we can sort based on one column in ascending or descending order, how we can sort based on multiple columns in ascending, descending, or ascending and descending, and how we can sort index values, that is the row index values and the column labels with the help of sort underscore index, and how we could sort the data frame with in place is equal to true. Hope so friends it was clear for you. If you have any doubts, please do reach to me out in the comment section. If you like my video, click on the like button and please do subscribe to get notifications of my new videos. Till then, see you. Bye bye.